Once upon a time, there lived two eggs. Mama bird was flying to her nest, and whenever she heard scratching, she said,
"Oh boy, my eggs are hatching!"
One by one, the birds popped free, baby birds 1 and 2.
"I'll name you Sweetness and Sourness!"
But they all haven't talked to each other. A couple years later, Sweetness and Sourness are excited to see their new baby bird.
"Are you girls excited to see our new baby birdie?"
Just then, a book fell and broke the egg. And sadly, the birds mourned their loss with their stillborn baby bird. A couple days later, Mama Bird was taking their daughters on their way to their school. There, she was shot and killed.
What if our beloved mommy won't come back? Shut the hell up, Sweetness! It is now dead!
As soon as they walked and walked and walked, they decided to go to Salt Lake City.
Hey, Sourness! I think you're not mean anymore! Can we go to Salt Lake City? Yes! Let's fly! We're going to Salt Lake City! See? This town is better than Bird Pond!
And they were off to Salt Lake City.